The wasp. This tiny creature is the wasp. So look, so very detailed his body figure. His antenna, his legs, his abdominal, his wings, his back, his whole figure. So as you can see, I think he entered his nest to regenerate his own body. So it's look a new one for this kind of wasp. So I think that's a good idea of regenerating himself for look new one. This is the wasp in my other video that building a nest. So